Buffy?
crime scene investigator starts processing. Everything's been very
Buffy? This is the opportunity we've been waiting for. There are so many gadgets I want to test in the field. We got the binder bubbles, kaleidoscope, hypno stars, flamethrower, snorpedo. We've got the multi-pen. We haven't even tried the multi-pen in a...
The feeling was...
I'm gonna need a code name. Bond. Hydrogen bond.
Maybe it's time for me to play something else. I'll do that tomorrow.
Detective's instinct to be right.
Hey, everything go okay in there?
I just found out that number 1 and number 2 both come out of the same place. So, no, things are not okay.
Yeah, it's called a cloaca. Sounds weird and gross, but having a cloaca just means...
Dude, I know what it means. Saw it in the mirror.
I know you're not in a good place right now, but there are benefits to being a pigeon.
Okay, so read what used to be my lips. You're only here because A, I can't work a touch screen enough to eject you, and B, you're supposed to be working on something, correct?
Yeah.
Oh, the antidote. Right, sure. Yeah, that's gonna take 18 hours to render.
I'm stuck like this with this body for Ooh, boy. Woo. Okay, walk this one off.
And what does he do? He takes off. And then all hell breaks loose.
You know, being a pigeon is actually...
Driving on the wrong side of the road. He abandons his vehicle and pulls aside and starts running.
You know, being a pigeon is actually way cooler than it seems. And if you just embrace your new form, you'll see all the advantages. Like fact, did you know that pigeons can see in slow motion? Because fact, pigeons can fly up to 92.7 miles per hour. And fact, pigeons are highly intelligent animals who like to play games. Oh, and fact,
You should have kept your seatbelt on. Your seatbelt on.
And hit and run driving.
At this point, Mr. Bugs is going nowhere.
Bugs doesn't have a
pigeons can fly up to 92.7 miles per hour. In fact, pigeons are highly intelligent animals who like to play games. Oh, in fact,
You should have kept your seatbelt on.
The gun is a 38 It was a perfect match for the extended bullet that's been Bugs.
You should have kept your seatbelt on.
Pigeons can see ultraviolet light, which is a broad spectrum of light the human eye can't even see. Fact, pigeons are a flock animal.
Bugs' car for any possible connection to the victims.
Fact, pigeons are a flock animal.
We wanted to see if there's any type of evidence inside
All right, Kimura, I'm coming for you. Lance Sterling is on the scene.
Bond. Hydrogen.
All right, Kimura, I'm coming for you. Lance Sterling is on the scene.
Bond. Hydrogen bond.
Dude, you need medicine.
Hydrogen bond.